Hi, my name is Chrizel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you what is a $1 million view of a fitness room. 35th floor. Now looking for the gym. What is that one here? Is that one? This way? Oh, okay. Oh my god. This is imagine this is your view every day. I think this is the most amazing view whenever you want to do a workout. It's very relaxing for your mind. You really have a total peace of mind here.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed.
I'm not really like a fitness enthusiast, but every now and then I'm stretching my body to start for a day.
I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you
This is the entrance.
think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running.
Wow, look at the view. And we are located in the 35th floor. And this is what you're gonna get every day when you work out.
Shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness. No motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
So yeah, that is how $1 million view of a workout fitness room and a hotel in Danang. I think we're done for burning some calories for today. There's a bonus. They have the jacuzzi here with $1 million view again. Let me give you a check for this. They have a sauna here.
ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes.
Yeah, here am I, enjoying the vacation with my family.
In this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I...
Wow. That's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed my $1 million view of a fitness room and a jacuzzi and sauna. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. That's all, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye.